Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two powerhouse motherboards, the MSI B550-A Pro ProSeries and the ASRock B660M Pro RS. This comparison is based on online reviews and feature comparisons, so let's dive in and find out which motherboard reigns supreme. Let's kick things off with the price. The MSI B550-A Pro ProSeries comes in at a cool $139, while the ASRock B660M Pro RS is priced slightly higher at $149. Now, I know what you're thinking, $10? That's a lunch at my favorite burger joint. But hey, every penny counts, right? Moving on to the processor support, the MSI B550-A Pro ProSeries has got your back with support for 3rd Gen AMD Ryzen processors, and even future AMD Ryzen processors with a BIOS update. Meanwhile, the ASRock B660M Pro RS is all about the 12th Gen Intel Core processors. So whether you're Team AMD or Team Intel, these motherboards have got you covered. Now, let's talk memory. The MSI B550-A Pro ProSeries supports dual-channel DDR4 memory up to a whopping 128 GB at a blazing 4,400 MHz. That's like having the memory power of a supercomputer in your hands. On the other hand, the ASRock B660M Pro RS supports DDR4 memory up to 4,800 MHz with some overclocking magic. So, if you're a speed demon and want that extra boost, ASRock's got your back. When it comes to storage, both motherboards bring some serious firepower. The MSI B550-A Pro ProSeries boasts PCIe 4.0 and Lightning Gen 4 M.2 with M.2 Shield Frozr, giving you lightning-fast game loading times. Meanwhile, the ASRock B660M Pro RS offers one PCIe 4.0x16, one PCIe 3.0x16, and one PCIe 3.0x1 slots, along with one M.2 key for Wi-Fi. So whether you want to store your games or connect to the world, these motherboards have got you covered. Now let's talk about the design. The MSI B550-A Pro ProSeries features Core Boost technology, optimized power circuit layouts, and a digital power regulation system, ensuring precise and steady current delivery to your CPU. Plus, it comes with a premium thermal solution, including a Heatsink thermal pad and a 2 ounces thickened copper PCB. On the other hand, the ASRock B660M Pro RS rocks an 8-phase power design, providing stable power delivery. So, whether you're a power-hungry gamer or a content creator, these motherboards have got your back. Last but not least, let's talk about audio. The MSI B550-A Pro ProSeries spoils your ears with its Audio Boost technology, delivering studio-grade sound quality for immersive gaming experiences. Who said gaming was only about visuals? Meanwhile, the ASRock B660M Pro RS, well, it's a bit more focused on the visuals. But hey, who needs sound when you've got stunning graphics, right? Based on online reviews, both motherboards have received positive feedback. The MSI B550-A Pro ProSeries is praised for its good VRM, USB-C port, and positive reviews. Reviewers mention that it is good for regular use and gaming without overclocking. On the other hand, the ASRock B660M Pro RS is recommended for budget and non-K CPUs, with enough headers for RGB and fans. However, it may not provide optimal performance for high-wattage CPUs. And there you have it, folks. The battle between the MSI B550-A Pro ProSeries and the ASRock B660M Pro RS has come to an end. Both motherboards bring their own unique strengths to the table, so it ultimately comes down to your personal preferences and needs. Which motherboard do you prefer and why? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.